Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to export the best settings for YouTube in Premiere Pro. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So exporting a video in Premiere Pro is really easy. All you need to do is have your timeline or your preview selected. We're going to be coming to File, Export, and then we're going to be coming to Media. From this point, this pop-up window is going to come up. And from here, what I'd recommend doing a couple things. The first thing you want to do is come to our format option right here. And we're going to be changing it to H.264. This is what I'd recommend using. The preset we're going to be leaving alone for now, as we're going to be setting up some custom things. Make sure export audio and video are selected. Then we're going to be coming down here to the video tab and changing a couple settings. So from this point, what we're going to be doing is checking the height and width of our video. In this case, my video is in Quad HD, so it's 2560 by 1440. I'm going to be leaving this by default as it's what I want to upload my video in. My frame rate is also 60 frames, which I'm going to be leaving at is fine. You can change this if you would like. Same with the progressive and square pixels, I would leave all this alone. What I would recommend checking is to render at maximum depth. This is just going to make sure we get the maximum quality out of our video. We're then going to be skipping everything else except one other thing that's actually important, which is the bitrate settings. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is changing your bitrate from VBR1 pass to VBR2 pass. So what this is a variable bitrate for your actual video, and what the second pass does is goes over your video and scans it again to make sure you're getting the highest quality out of this. And now we're going to be talking about the bitrate. So the bitrate is probably one of the most important things we can actually change for our YouTube videos. Now thankfully YouTube has given us a bit of a default and some kind of guidelines on what we can do for this. So what I'd recommend doing is coming to this web page. We can scroll down here and we can see the bitrate option right here. Now here YouTube will give us suggested bit rates for different qualities and different frame rates. So you can see, for example, I'm uploading my video in 1440p and it's currently at 60 frames. So YouTube recommends around 24 megabits per second. So this is what we're going to be aiming to upload our video in. So this is kind of where we see the best price to performance, as I would say. So I'd recommend coming here, looking at what your video type is. If your video is in HDR, you have extra settings down here. Look at the frame rate, look at the quality, and then we're going to be using this bitrate as a benchmark. So we're going to be aiming for around that in our actual export settings. So what we can do is set our target bitrate to 24. And then what I'd recommend doing is setting your maximum bitrate a little bit higher. You don't need to do anything crazy. In this case, you can just set 30 as an example. So this is just going to give us a little bit of flexibility. The last thing I'd recommend checking is use maximum render quality. And from this point, you're ready to go. After this, you can click Q to add to a media render queue if you would like, or you can export directly inside Premiere Pro, whatever your preferred method is. And then your render will be done. And that's how you get the maximum quality out of YouTube. Anyway, guys, that's the recommended settings for YouTube with Premiere Pro. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new. Check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.